Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the Miller sweep, how a sweep is generated, that Miller sweep. In that, we discussed a circuit diagram, operation of that Miller circuit, and that explanation of the Miller circuit. Actually, that was the Miller integrator circuit, how it generates the sweep waveform. All those things we discussed in the last class, and basic principle also discussed for Miller sweep. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about the current sweep or current time based generator. We know circuits like bootstrap and Miller sweep, all these generates sweep waveforms, and we discussed in the last class, when we go for Miller sweep, it generates sweep voltage with less error. Basically, we go for Miller sweep to get lesser error in sweep voltage. Other sweep voltages, other sweep generators generate high error, hence we go to Miller sweep. Actually, all those things discussed in the last class. For that, a recap is, the recap, we say, we have discussed voltage time based generators, Miller sweep circuits, bootstrap sweep circuit. It is a recap. Objectives and completion of this topic, you would be able to know the purpose and principle of current time based generator. Circuit diagram. Mathematical analysis of this circuit. Operation of the circuit. All these things we are going to discuss in today's class. Current time based generator. need for large screen television and radar displays. The supply voltage need for voltage sweep circuits are inconveniently large. To overcome this difficulty, current time based generators are used where magnetic deflection is used for greater deflection sensitivity. This is the necessity of the current time based generator. It is required in television. In magnetic deflection, a linear time varying current is made to flow through a set of coils referred to as yoke, mounted external to the tube in the vicinity of the electron gun. The magnetic field produced by the current through the yoke deflects the electron beam. Say, mostly current time based generator is required in TV. In the TV, in that picture tube, there will be two coils called yoke. For that yoke to vibrate across the electron beam, we should give current time based generator output to the those yoke or coils to vibrate the electron gun. And the same thing, current based generator used in radar displays also. When we go for other generators, they are not suitable for TV and radar for such equipment. Hence, we go for current time based generator. current time based generator principle. See here, current IL is equal to 1 by L integral V dt, that equal to VCC by L T. Here the basic principle of current time based generator is that if a constant voltage VCC is applied to an inductor, the current through it varies linearly with time. Means if we apply constant VCC to the inductor, it generates the current varies linearly with time. This is the principle we are using in current time based generator. That is IL equal to 1 by L integral V dt, that equal to VCC by L T, where VCC is constant, L is constant, and with respect to time it varies. Now circuit. We see circuit first of all. For this circuit, in this there is transistor, NPN transistor. At collector of this circuit there is inductor coil, that is L, and parallel to that a resistor RD and diode is fixed, and for that VCC is applied. And current flow through the inductor is IL. And voltage VB is applied. This is the circuit details. Here an inductor in series with a transistor. Which is used as a switch is bridged across the supply voltage. The gating waveform at the base operates between two levels. The lower level keeps the transistor in cutoff, while the upper level drives the transistor into saturation. This is about circuit details. Now, working. When the transistor is turned on, the current IL through inductor increases linearly with time. During the sweep interval, the diode D does not conduct since it is reverse biased. The sweep terminates at t equal to Ts when the gating signal drives the transistor to cutoff. The inductor current then continues to flow through the diode D and resistor RD until it decays to zero. This is decay is exponential with a time constant. Tau is equal to L by RD. Here we see waveforms. There are three waveforms. One is input side waveform called base voltage VB with respect to time is given, and another one is current IL flowing through the inductor is shown here with respect to time. and output voltage called VCE is shown here with respect to time. There are three waveforms: input waveform VB, current waveform IL, output voltage of transistor VCE. Actual our sweep voltage is IL. Sorry, sweep current is IL. There it is showing linearly increasing with respect to time thereafter, and it is decreasing exponentially. If we study this, whenever we apply a rectangular train of pulses to the base of the transistor, for positive rectangle or for positive pulse, the transistor enters into the conduction. Hence, the current starts flowing through inductor. That current goes on increasing with respect to time, that is shown here. Hence, the current is increasing linearly with respect to time. That is represented as IL equal to VCC by L into T. For negative pulse, the transistor gets reverse bias and it does not conduct, act as open. Hence, the inductor discharges. The current in the inductor or coil decreases exponentially with respect to time. That is shown here. And here, when we go for output voltage VCE, at the time of ramp or whenever transistor conducts, at that time output shows is VCE sat. Hence, in the VCE output, whenever transistor is in on time, that is shown VCE sat. When transistor gets off, its voltage rise to VCC. There onwards, it decreases. Working. The inductor current waveform is shown in figure, where It indicates that at T equal to Ts, the current attains maximum value IL. The waveform of the collector voltage is shown in figure. It is clearly seen that before the transistor is on, Vc equal to Vcc. While the transistor is on, Vc equal to Vc sat. At the moment in the transistor is turned off, a spike of amplitude ILRD appears across the inductor L. This peak voltage must be limited below the breakdown voltage, so as not to damage the transistor. The spike decays with same time constant as does the inductor current. Sweep error. The fact to be considered is that a physical yoke may well have associated with it a resistor RL which is too large to neglect. RCS is the collector saturation resistance of the transistor. Thus, if the current increases to maximum value IL, the slope error is ES equal to RL plus RCS into IL by VCC. To maintain the linearity, RL plus RCS into IL voltage drop across the total circuit resistance must be kept small in comparison with supply voltage VCC. In practice, best linearity is obtained experimentally by an adjustment of the air gap of the compensation coil. Applications. The principal applications of the time-based circuits are in connection with radar displays, television displays, the applications listed above are based on magnetic deflection. For these magnetic deflection applications, yoke currents are required which vary linearly with time. Time-based generators are used to generate such currents which vary linearly with time. Summary. We have discussed principle of current time based generator, working of current time based generator, and applications. So today we discussed these topics. Quiz. Current time based generators are used in option A, large screen TV and radar displays. Option B, crystal oscillators. Option C, CRO screens. Option D, electrical networks. For this answer is option A, right. Large screen TV and radar displays is the right answer. Option A. The applications of time based generator is based on electric deflection, electron deflection, magnetic deflection, none of these. Our answer is magnetic deflection. Option C is the right answer. Principle of current time based generator. Principle of current time based generator is, if a constant voltage VCC is applied to an inductor, the current through it varies linearly with time. If a constant voltage VCC is applied to a capacitor, the current through it varies linearly with time. If a constant voltage VCC is applied to a resistor, the current through it varies linearly with time. Our answer becomes first one, option A. The gating waveform applied at base operates at two levels. Which one is the correct statement? The lower level keeps the transistor in cutoff, which the upper level drives the transistor into saturation. The lower level keeps the transistor in saturation. Wrong. Both upper and lower level drives the transistor in cutoff. Wrong. Both upper and lower level drives the transistor in saturation. Wrong. Option A is the right. Frequently asked questions. Why current time based generator is used? What is its principle? What is the value of sweep error in current time based generator? What are its applications? Explain the working of current time based generator with relevant diagrams and waveforms.